Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nginx on Ubuntu with UFW SSH rules step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal on your Ubuntu system. First, ensure that your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Nginx if it is not already installed by executing sudo apt install Nginx. Once Nginx is installed, start the service with the command sudo system start Nginx. You can enable Nginx to start automatically on boot with sudo system enable Nginx. To verify that Nginx is running, type system status Nginx. If it's active and running, proceed to configure UFW. Now, check the status of UFW with the command sudo of status. If UFW is inactive, enable it using sudo of enable. Next, we need to allow SSH connections to avoid being locked out. Run the command sudo of allow open SSH. To permit HTTP traffic, execute sudo of allow Nginx HTTP. If you have HTTPS enabled, run sudo of allow Nginx full. Now, review the UFW rules with sudo of status. You should see that SSH and Nginx are allowed. Next, test Nginx by accessing your server's IP address from a web browser. If you see the Nginx welcome page, your setup is successful. In case you need to modify firewall rules, you can do so using the same allow command. For example, to remove HTTP access, use sudo of deny Nginx HTTP. Always remember to check the status after any changes to confirm they took effect. You have now completed connecting to Nginx on Ubuntu with UFW SSH rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.